Welcome to the Python Cybersecurity Series by TempcoderTech. In this series, you'll master the art of cybersecurity using the power of Python. In our first episode, we'll explore network analysis with Scapy. Let's dive into Visual Studio Code for our project with Python and Scapy to uncover devices on a network. We start with import scapy.all as Scapy. This line imports the Scapy library, which is a powerful tool for working with network packets at a low level. Then we create a function named scan that takes an IP argument, representing the target IP address or IP range. Inside the scan, we create an ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, request packet with the target IP address IP. We create an Ethernet frame, specifying the destination MAC address as a broadcast address. Combine the Ethernet frame and ARP request to create the complete packet. Send the packet using Scapy's SRP function and receive responses. The answered underscore list will contain the responses. We then create an empty list called devices underscore list to store information about discovered devices. Using a for loop, we iterate through the answered underscore list of responses. We extract the IP and MAC addresses from the response and store them as a dictionary in device underscore info. Devices list is populated with these dictionaries. Finally, the devices list is returned by the scan function. We create a function that we use to display the information in def display result. This function takes a list of devices as results and displays them in a readable format. In the usage example, you specify the target IP range you want to scan. Result equals scan, target underscore IP. You call the scan function with the target IP and store the result in the result variable. Then you display the discovered devices in the call to function display result. You've just taken your first step into the world of Python cybersecurity. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more episodes in this series. Join us at TempcoderTech as we continue our Python cybersecurity journey. See you in the next episode.